our art class. This week, we will have a new activity. And this activity will be about paintings. Yes, you heard it right. This quarter, you will make artworks using paints. Painting has been an artistic tradition for thousands of years. It mirrors past events and ways of life, and provides creative representation of nature in different periods of history. Most artists use nature as their subject in their paintings. That's why, for our first activity for this second quarter, we will be focusing in nature as well. That's why this activity is called Nature in Painting. Meaning to say, you are going to make an artwork that is related to nature. Just like the example video I'm going to show you. Are you ready? It's art time! Now that's all for your art activity for this week. I hope you enjoyed doing your artwork. Again, this is Teacher Je. See you next time!